Yo, welcome to Physics with Vinay Uppal.
Hi, I'm Anopal and I'm back and I'm excited to announce a huge discount on Droppers batch and the full syllabus batch for 2026. So abhi we are nearing January attempt for mains and then फिर April attempt and then JEE advanced आएगा. So ज़्यादा महीने नहीं बचे हुए हैं. So I've decided to reduce the prices of the full courses of for Droppers batch as well as the 11th plus 12th full course batch for 2026. दोनों में content more or less very similar to each other. And this जो course है, जो full course है, who is it for exactly? तो सबसे पहले this course includes the crash course for free. जो crash course है, which is a very popular course which many students have used over the last few years to a lot of success. तो वो free included है. जो game changer course है, जो एकदम यूनिक शॉर्टकट्स मैं सिखाता हूँ specifically for JEE Advanced, that is also included for free in this in both the batch, the Droppers batch as well as the 11 plus 12 full batch. And of course the 11 plus 12 full batch has and Droppers batch, these courses have full length lectures, modules है, tests है and complete zero से advanced तक के lectures है. So now because ज़्यादा महीने नहीं रह गए हैं before the JEE mains attempt and then the JEE advanced attempt, most likely you will not be able to cover the entire syllabus from these full courses, but many students have emailed me that they want some of the high weightage chapters, they want to do that from complete scratch, एकदम zero से शुरू करना है. And the rest of the chapters they will do from my crash course. So specifically उन students के लिए I have decided to just slash the prices. जो ये full courses है जिसमें game changer and crash course included है, तो उनमें you can do a lot of chapters, maybe not all, you may not have the time, but at least high weightage chapters or the chapters that you are weak in, वो सारे chapters तुम complete कर सकते हो 0 to advanced. Alright, and modules are also available, my own modules and homework from SBT, जिसके लिए मैंने पूरा video solutions बना के रखा है from Iridof, SBT and my full modules all have video solutions made by me, and you can ask doubts in any chapter, in any video, in any homework, in any test, anytime. So what you can do is use these full courses for some specific chapters and solve the module homework, solve the SBT homework, solve the Iridof homework and उसमें doubts भी पूछ सकते हो. And जो बाकी के chapters है तुम crash course से कर सकते हो. Crash course भी काफी detail में मैंने पढ़ाया है. And you can even, for those chapters that you've solved from or you studied from my crash course, you can even use my module from the full course for those particular chapters as a problem solving resource. Okay, तो मैंने काफी price reduce कर दिया है. You can go and check out on my website. And remember that crash course and game changer are both included. So जैसे ही तुम enroll करोगे, game changer is already in the sections along with the chapters, and crash course में you will get enrolled within 24 hours after enrolling in the full course. So either take Droppers or take 11 plus 12. Content दोनों में एकदम ही similar है. It won't matter which you take. All right. And for any further queries, just get in touch with me at contact@vinayuppal.com. यहाँ पे एक email कर देना. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Generally same day पे I reply to all the emails. And कुछ भी query होगा, so you can just get in touch with me. I'll see you next time and I'll see you at the top.